Come here, rude boy, boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, baby, yeah, take it, stop it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing tacos with the whole fam bam. So I'm at the meat market. I'm about to go in here and get some meat. And come with me. Oh. We gotta lock the car. Got a little outfit on today. Looking kind of cute or whatever. Oh. Hello. 8 pounds of Dios mío prepared. Thank you. Okay, y'all. I secured the meat. About to go home, cook it, prepare all the sides, you know, heat up them tacos, them tortillas, and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. No, last time was in the house.
You're gonna taste the same?
Yeah, that's probably gonna taste better.